Liver health matters when it comes to good digestion and overall health. Yes, your liver is one of the vital organs of your body that has many key functions, from producing bile to detoxifying the blood. Well, your digestive health is directly linked to your liver health, as this vital organ of your body engages in removing toxins, producing bile to emulsify fats, and secreting liver enzymes to carry out various biochemical reactions and metabolic processes. So now you can understand how important your liver is, and what you include in your diet has a significant role in determining liver health. Well, veggies are another natural dietary thing that can boost liver function and promote overall well-being. But let's know which veggies you should consume with liver disease or to maintain better liver health. Hello and a very warm good morning to all our viewers. I'm Dr. Amisha and I cordially welcome you to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel. Here you can get detailed scientific information on health and wellness, healthy diet and nutrition, yoga, exercise and disease treatment with holistic care. In my today's video, I will share the 5 best vegetables that can boost your liver health and reduce the risk of liver disease, be it fatty liver or cirrhosis. So let's begin. The first vegetable that comes on the top of the liver-friendly veggies is carrot. Carrots are superfood for your liver as they are rich in beta-carotene, B vitamins and antioxidant. Well, 100 grams of carrots have 8.285 milligram of beta-carotene which your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A helps protect liver cells, reduce fat accumulation and boost your immune functions. Not only these, but carrots also support bile flow which helps in fat metabolism. Now let us know how you can add carrots to your diet. You can add them to your veggie juice, saute veg salad or curries. Now the next is your silmarin-rich artichokes. Artichokes are well known for containing two liver protective chemical compounds, cynarin and silmarin. Silmarin is an active compound found in milk thistle, which has been used for liver disease for centuries. Artichokes help rejuvenate liver cells due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. They also increase bile production and lower cholesterol and triglyceride. Some studies even indicate that artichoke extract can reduce liver enzyme levels and improve overall liver function, especially in those with fatty liver. Now, how you can add these artichokes to your diet? You can consume their leaves with sauces or eat the base of this veggie raw. Beetroots. Beetroots are indeed a liver superfood. Beets are rich in betalains which give them their deep color and powerful antioxidant effects. Beets also contain nitrates which help the body convert into nitrites which improve blood flow and reduce oxidative damage in liver tissues. They also regulate the liver enzyme and prevent fat deposition in the liver. Beets also help in the production of glutathione, which helps reduce inflammation and improves liver function. You can drink beetroot juice or eat them in saute salad. You can also add them to your soups and curries. Now, the fourth veggie that comes from the cruciferous family, it's broccoli. It's packed with glucosinolates, compounds that activate liver detox enzymes. They help neutralize and eliminate harmful substances from your body. Broccoli also raises the levels of glutathione, a potent liver antioxidant. A study from the Journal of Nutrition indicates that broccoli extract help reduce fat buildup and inflammation in the liver of test subjects. Let's know how. You can include it in your diet. You can eat it stir-fried or add it to your soups. Well, the last liver-friendly veggie is Brussels sprouts. These super healthy veggies are rich in indole-3 carbinol and sulforaphane compounds proven to activate liver detox enzymes. These veggies also help reduce inflammation and prevent fat accumulation in the liver. They also contain a good amount of fiber which promotes gut health and healthy microbiota. You can add them to your salads, saute veggies or curries. Alright, so these are your 5 super liver healthy veggies that prevent fat deposition, improve liver function and promote better liver health. See, dietary changes are crucial for maintaining better liver health. But diet alone cannot solve your complex liver issues. For any advanced and chronic liver disease, you need holistic and natural care. For any advanced and chronic liver disease, you need holistic and natural care. Unlike modern medicines, which temporarily relieve the liver condition but causes severe side effects in the long run of treatment, Bharat homeopathic medicines are safe, effective, and bring results in the liver problems in the shortest possible time. They are natural and given in small globules dipped in the potentized alcohol based medicines that works directly on the root cause of the disease. Bharat homeopathic liver medicines have hepatoprotective properties that stimulate the liver cells, reduce inflammation and scarring, and heal the disease naturally. We at Bharat Homeopathy have treated thousands of liver patients worldwide and are constantly working on liver problems to help our patients live free from liver diseases. We are a team of experienced liver specialists who prescribe customized and personalized treatment after a complete case taking. I hope you found my video helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.